Chainlink has broken out exactly how expected, and here's where it's going.
Today for the Bitcoin price with Davinci J15, we will be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Chainlink. We will be pulling up the charts and see what Davinci J15's Magic TA has to say, because for Bitcoin there is right now a massive move coming up. We will be telling you exactly in what direction this move is going to go and what our specific price targets are. For Ethereum, if you do hold Ethereum, well guys, you do want to see what we have to tell you, because we have very good news for you. And also, of course, we are going to give you a very important chaining update. We saw the breakout exactly like predicted. Chaining is going up, and we will tell you exactly whether it's over or whether we are expecting more upwards price movement. We will share everything with you, our specific trading setups, and of course, very important data here regarding the Bitcoin social sentiment, indicating that a big move is coming and also indicating in what possible direction this move could be going. You do not want to miss out on that, because this will be jam-packed. And right now I want to come to the most important question of today. Davinci J15, I have been missing that. It was a long time ago. So that being said, Davinci, how are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing great, man. You know what? I can't wait until the year 2020 ends and we go into 2021, and then it's all moon boys on deck. Please.
Yes. It has been a long time, man. 2018, 2019. I mean, of course, we are like 3x the local low, but it is some kind of drying out. I mean, the people are getting bored. We will be talking about that. But yeah, maybe this is the exact moment. We should be cautious. We should be looking at the charts, and this is what we are doing today. So Davinci, thank you so much for taking your time. It's like 11:30 or so in Chile. So I really appreciate that, guys. If you also appreciate Davinci J15 here half an hour before midnight coming to us and pushing this free content to us, make sure you scroll down. You smash up the like button as crazy, every single one. Come on, I always know it's only like 10-15% pressing the like button. Please, everyone, scroll down, smash up the like button. It is for free and it really cheers us up a lot. So thank you so much for that. Also press subscribe, press the bell and press on all, because only then you can make sure that you are not missing out on the next video and that you are not a slave to the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, Davinci, thank you so much for pulling up the charts. We are starting with Bitcoin before we go to Ethereum and Chainlink. What are your thoughts on the price right now?
Well, when this broke way back here, I knew that it was gonna. I had a feeling that we were gonna bump along it, this trend line, because we've been trading sideways for quite some time. And matter of fact, right, we're gonna talk about that in a second. But as you can see, there was, like, as I was telling you guys, that any kind of breakout higher was time to sell, go short. And you can see that over and over again, we've just been like getting hammered down. And this is what's interesting about this, is that the bears are not getting any kind of like traction. They're not pushing lower very fast. And so they get lower, but you know, it's starting to get into like the oversold territory now, because we have consolidated through time, basically. And so with all this long consolidation, we're now approaching closer and closer to oversold territory. In fact, I think this candle is turning a different color. No, it's not yet. But anyways, it looks like if we break below this level here, we are gonna probably be in oversold territory that soon. So downside pressure is not that high after we get into oversold point. So I would be careful if you're going bearish on this market. Set some tight stops, because the bulls can come out at any second and just ram you right into the next century.
Yes, bulls can be very brutal, especially towards bears. So what you are saying right now is, from the charts, looking only here at the charts, you would say there is more downwards pressure. However, because our dry out consolidation period slightly towards the downside was going through such a long time frame, on the RSI we are so so heavily, like so closely to being oversold that you think there is downside pressure, but this downside pressure is not really big. And once we are reaching it, you could imagine a very big green candlestick, a very big moonshot, wiping out all the shorts.
Exactly. So you gotta take your shorts with a grain of salt, and make sure you get into right position. Like sell at the higher at the tops and not at the bottoms, because I would not do a breakout short on any of this. Now, looking at Ethereum again, it's the same kind of thing. We're on Ethereum, because this is a major trend line right up here. We didn't bother bouncing up against it. The top trend line. This is a major trend line which you can't move any. And now we created a new one that we've also broken. So this is again getting tired. Looking at the price action, I don't see a positive outcome here. We're probably going to do one more rally up closer to make a nice little M top here. Maybe we're along the sides of this trend line, and then see you when I see you. But here's the kicker, though.
Bitcoin, Ethereum against Bitcoin, because that was Ethereum against US dollar. So, Davinci, how is it going when you measure Ethereum against Bitcoin?
Yeah, the kicker is here. What do we see here? What do we see? A nice juicy W right here. So this thing looks like it's ready to fly here. Of course, we have to break this level here, but everything's lining up so that that's probably going to be a definite possibility in the next few weeks or so. So look for this to break out, causing maybe Ethereum to not dump as much or pop higher instead of going lower. Wow.
Yeah. I think it's just astonishing to see how different Ethereum on US dollar looks. Not really bullish, but what it really comes down to is Ethereum against Bitcoin. And then we can see this massive converging trend lines here leading together and forcing a breakout within the next 4 weeks here, more likely towards the upside. And you had to have this breakout target of 26 million Satoshis. So if you ask me, I would probably trade this breakout. It just looks amazing, and it looks disgustingly similar to the converging trend lines we had on Chainlink, where we were also calling for the breakout towards the upside. And everyone watching right now, you remember we called that before the breakout, and you do remember that we got the breakout. First of all, I want to remind everyone, if you also want to support us, I will be personally probably trading the breakout on Bybit or Phemex. We have affiliate links down below, but if you trade crypto on leverage, you have to be an experienced trader, otherwise the volatility will just wipe you out. However, if you are, you find $402 for free here, and we have Bybit, Phemex, UDEX, and I would probably trade Chainlink on Phemex and Ethereum on Bybit. If you click these links, put in your email address and your password, you can get up to $402 for free after a 0.2 Bitcoin deposit, but only for experienced traders, guys. Make sure you are aware of that. And yes, Davinci, look at this. I know you got some gains on Chainlink. I know I got some gains on Chainlink because I traded the breakout, and I know a lot of you guys also got gains on Chainlink. Leave your thoughts, leave your gains in the comment section, like in percentage wise or whatever, if you were able to trade the breakout after we covered that. It would be amazing. It always cheers me up if I can see that people were making gains here after they made their own research, of course. Now, Davinci, what is your thoughts on that? Do you think the pump is over, or do you think there is more room towards the upside?
Well, as you can see, there's lots and lots of W's here, right? You can see a W here, right? W's and the smaller W's, larger W's everywhere. W's everywhere. All I see is W's.
www.moon.com. Always when we see something like this, then we can usually see it Moon, yes.
And so we've already broken out again to this larger W. So don't be surprised if we do something like that. We go to heights of let's just see here. If we were to make a measured move from here, oops, wrong tool right here, this one, from here to here, and just drag that all the way up to the top. We're talking a big move for Chainlink and priced in Bitcoin here, all the way up to like 73,000 sats.
This is like
74,000 sats.
More than this is like 40% still measured in Bitcoin. So
Exactly.
there is still so much room towards the upside. Of course, we have to see, can Bitcoin break the previous high here at what is it, like 53,000 satoshis, whatever. But if we get a daily close above, I would say the chances significantly increase for us reaching that price target, right?
Exactly, it's like 56,000 satoshis. Yeah, that's it. Once we break that, and you know what they say, show me a new high, and I'll show you a buy.
Exactly. Yeah, breaking the all-time high is usually a good thing. Maybe not on the Nasdaq, but on Chainlink, maybe we might see some nice things here. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section. And very important, guys, I know you laugh that we are covering altcoins, so scroll down and leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. Upvote each other's suggestions, because the most upvoted ones are being taken into consideration for future videos. I already have VeChain, Cardano and all of these in mind, but if you leave all your suggestions in the comment section, you can make sure that we will maybe consider it for the next video. Thank you so much for that, Davinci, and not looking like perfectly bullish for the immediate short term for Bitcoin. However, we are close to oversold levels, and yes, the breakout towards the upside is imminent on the weekly time frame. This is what we can say, maybe not on the 4-hourly, but yeah, let's wait and see what the charts tell us. Thank you so much for bringing all that knowledge to us, and for everyone who waited until the end, I have some nice sweets here for you in terms of data. I wanted to pick up on your brain just for like 1 or 2 minutes here. In the end, I wanted to show you guys here, if we go to the crypto fear and greed index, this is the 12th month, the last 12 month, and you can see it's like nothing really sticks to the eye, like not astronomical highs, not astronomical lows, besides this shakeout period here at the Corona dump. But what we can see here, basically, look at this this threshold here. This is the 50% threshold dividing between bearish and bullish territory on the market sentiment. And what we can see is throughout the last 12 months, you can see that 80% of the time we were bearish. 80% of the time Bitcoin was in fearful territory. It was slightly fearful territory, but what I would consider that is this dry out period. This is the end of the bear market, if you ask me, when the people are not overwhelmingly bearish, but they are just drying out, they are leaving the market and they are tilting towards the bearish side, even though we are 3x the local low on the bear market. So this, considering that, and also considering here the social volume on sentiment, by the way, free sign up link down in the pinned comment down below, I wanted to know from you, Davinci, considering that ever since we had the halving here, the mentions on social media of the word Bitcoin, the keyword Bitcoin, are going down drastically. 70%, the people are leaving the market. The people they are scared, they are bored, they are just leaving the market. It's getting boring, the volatility goes down. What is your take on that, Davinci? What would you say does that mean for the Bitcoin price?
Well, you take a look at that chart and you can see that you could actually trade that chart because it follows sentiment like every single market. So this is how people are very emotional when it comes to investments, and so that translates into price generally, and so you're going to see this translate into price, and I'm going to see it have a negative correlation with the price, I think, because when people are that bearish and that down in the dumps, things start to turn around very fast. And yeah, if I were to trade this, it looks like it's going to turn around sometime. It's going to bottom soon and probably make a new low before it bottoms, but it's almost there, and then we're going to see a massive turnaround. Yes. And man, is it going to be epic.
Yes, exactly. I mean, look at the volatility is going down like crazy. I mean, all the things, the historical volatility index, the relative volatility, then also the social mentions, the fear and greed index, like everything is drying out like crazy. And yes, there is a big negative correlation. I think we had one exception of the rule, and that was in November 2018. Of course, the bear market was just not over yet. We had low mentions and the price broke down, but considering all the other times we had low mentions of Bitcoin on social media, this was usually the time that the next moonshot was imminent, at least on the weekly time frame. So thanks for your thoughts on that. I truly appreciate that. I truly appreciate everyone coming back to the channel, and especially everyone watching until the end. It's very, very, very valuable. And for everyone watching until the end, of course, we have a very special update once again, and a reminder for everyone, if you are interested in Pandora's Wallet, but not only that, if you are also interested on more brain juice of Davinci J15, he has his very own secret Telegram group with very special people, and you can qualify for that group by simply signing up for Pandora's Wallet. You get the free group with Davinci J15's real-time trading setups also for free. Imagine, you get a part of Davinci's brain completely for free in absolute real time on Telegram. And Davinci, can you tell us how the people can get that?
Yeah, if you head over to www.pandoraswallet.com and subscribe for 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year, you get to join our Telegram group. There's a control panel on the page where you enter in your username, and then we have a bot that actually brings you into the channel, right? And then you can see everything, like for what I'm doing in my little lady strategy, when I'm buying. You'll be able to see what I'm trading on Bitcoin, and also I do videos. Every private videos and question and answer videos every Sunday for the group. And as the group grows, if we get over 1,000 people, I'm going to do more than one video. I'm going to add different time zones so that everybody can participate. So I'm really enjoying it, and I hope you guys come over and enjoy it with me as well.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. And I saw some of your altcoin trades. Sometimes they are going completely nuts. So I wish everyone the best of luck for that. Of course, also fun with Pandora's Wallet, which is an amazing product, which is already so mature and which integrates to so many altcoins. So of course, always take advantage of that as well. And yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Remember our affiliate section, and also remember here this link. This link is important. You get the free sentiment data by clicking this link. You get a few weeks completely for free, and you can see the Bitcoin sentiment, Ethereum sentiment, Chainlink sentiment, and all of that. And also on top of that, on-chain data for free, only with our partner link here in the pinned comment down below. Make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Davinci, for pushing that to us. It is 11:45. Good night for you. And I wanted to ask you, do you have any last words to share before we wrap up today's episode?
Well, bears, play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Davinci, for dropping the knowledge bombs on us. And as always, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, already tomorrow. So make sure you click the subscription box here, click on it and click the subscribe, and also click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right here. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.